In a small, crowded town, there lived a poor boy named Zayan. Every morning, he sat outside the railway station with a small wooden board that read, "I sell time." People laughed at him. "Time? Are you crazy?" they said. Zayan would smile and reply, "Yes, I sell time, but only to those who truly need it." No one understood him. One day, a tired businessman stopped. His eyes were red, his face full of stress. "What do you mean by selling time?" he asked. Zayan looked at him carefully and said, "Give me 100 rupees, and I'll give you 10 minutes of peace." The man laughed, but something inside him felt curious. He gave the money. Zayan took him to a quiet park, made him sit under a tree, and said, "Close your eyes. No phone, no thinking. Just breathe." For 10 minutes, the man did nothing. When he opened his eyes, something had changed. His stress felt lighter. This feels different," he said. Zayan smiled. "You don't need more time. You need better moments." From that day, people started coming. A mother who never had time for her child, a student stressed with exams, a worker tired of life. Zayan didn't just sell time, he gave them presents. One day, a rich man came with a big offer. "I'll give you a shop, money, everything. Work for me." Zayan refused. "Why?" the man asked angrily. Zayan said softly, "Because once I sell time for money only, it will lose its value." Years later, Zayan disappeared. But in that town, something had changed. People started sitting together more, talking more, living more. And sometimes they would look at the empty spot near the station and whisper, "He didn't sell time. He taught us how to live." Lesson: time is not about quantity. It's about how you live each moment. Subscribe for more interesting stories.